It's the end of September, and while there hasn't yet been a heavy frost, there have been some very cold mornings. So a lot of the tender stuff, which used to be outside on the deck here, has moved inside. Rosemary can stand cold for a while yet. This is the bean crop, or at least about 90% of it. Well, I haven't yet been able to estimate the weight of beans, but shortly I will when everything has been sorted out. There's a small amount of beans left at the top of the vines. The vines have yet to be completely cleared. The tomatoes are done, so there's nothing to investigate in the greenhouse. The peppers have been cleared out. It took about an hour to go through each of those lines and remove the reachable bean pods. As you can see at the top, there's still beans to be collected, but they will be more accessible when the poles come down. On the compost heap there is a goodly amount of varied materials, from tomatoes to peppers to gladiolus, which have been cleared out. Still a few rows of gladiolus to come out. This row here, marked out by the garden line, is ready for the planting of garlic. There will be about 250 garlic cloves going in there. I need to dig over this area again, because when I was digging over that section there, I came across yet more potatoes. The asparagus are starting to become more prominent. I was scared that at one point they might not be as flourishing as they are. Over here, underneath there is a bunch of bulbs, so we've got to pull out those ambrosia weeds as soon as possible. The willow is doing very well. This is where the squash came out. I'm now busy weeding that area. And in this area I have cleared out the strawberries that were there, or at least most of what I could easily access. There's a lot of strawberry material still in the ground which has to be hoed out, and that is this afternoon's job. Apart from that, I don't think there's anything much to be talking about. Thank you for watching.